Okay guys, I'm going to try to shoot a video on money left on the table during the estimating process. A lot of guys are asking about pricing. Pricing is whatever you can get in your market. But a lot of people are just going to a Zillow type application to get square footage of a house and throwing a number at it. So I want to show you estimations done on a real life example here. This home is 1,000 square feet. And if you were to go out there and say you're getting 25 cents a square foot and throw $250 at this home as your bid, we're going to show you how much money you might be leaving on the table. This house has a pitch on it. It's not a flat roof, and it has overhangs around it. So that 1,000 square feet with just the overhangs added on is 1,218 square feet. Okay? So now you went from 250 to 304.50. A 54.50 increase just by adding the overhangs to this flat roof, which it doesn't have. So I'm going to give you some pitches on here. So with a 412 roof and the overhangs on this 1,000 square foot house, you actually have 1,284 square feet. And I'm using 25 cents as an example here, but that's $321. So that's $71 above just a Google search for square footage on this house. Let's go up a little steeper pitch. A 612 pitch gives you 1,362 square feet through $340.50. That's up $90.50. With an 812 pitch, get a little steeper up into Pennsylvania, maybe the Midwest areas or the higher end housing developments. 1,464 square feet, $366, $116 over original bid. Going to a really steep roof, a 1012 to a 1212, 1,586. $396.50. It's $146.50 more, or $1,722, $430.60, $180.50 more. So you can see by knowing the pitch of the roof, knowing that there's overhangs, you can go from it's a $250 roof to a $430 roof just by knowing what pitch you've got there and adding the overhangs in there. A little fun fact for you guys too. I've got drawn on this example here that the dotted line down the center is it's a gable roof on it, and the dotted line from the corners are a hip roof on it. And just so you guys know, the square footage on a hip roof and a gable roof are almost exactly the same. You're just losing a little square footage on the extra overhang there that you can see on the ends there, about 1 foot by 25 foot. So you're losing about $10. But here's a big question when you're estimating this house that you looked up on Zillow. Does this house have a garage? Are you going to do this whole house and garage for $250? Let's check out this garage. We threw a garage on here for you guys. It's down here in the left corner. This is a 24 by 24 garage, so it's about 576 square feet on the floor. So that'd be $144 added on to your $250 roof wash in the first place. But let's put the overhangs in there. There's 728 square feet with the overhangs, $182. Let's put some pitches on there. The 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 roofs. You can see there, if you look at examples, a 4 would bring us up to 467 square feet. A 6 would bring up to 814 square feet. A 812 would bring up to 875. A 10, 945. And with a 1212, 1,029 square feet. So you can see if you look at each of those examples, what the dollar value goes up on each of those. So if you were to bid this house off of Zillow just by the floor with the garage, knowing there's flat, you'd pay $394. Add the overhangs in there, you're going to add $92.50 just by adding overhangs onto a flat roof. Go up to a pitch, Florida style 412 with overhangs is $512.75. So it's $118.75 over a Zillow type bid. And then go up to a 612, it's $150 over. So this is where you guys get into getting free chemicals, free soap, or free labors by knowing how to estimate these roofs. An 812, $190.75 over. 1012, $289.50 over. 1212, $293.75 over your original bid by knowing that you've got a roof pitch, you've got overhangs, and you have a garage. So this is just a start. There's a lot more to it, but I thought this would help you guys realize that to go from your $394, your $250 wash, up to your almost $700 where you should be at is really important.